Alright everyone, so we're gonna unboxing another stuff. So here we are, have the Redragon keyboard, Redragon key 360, I guess. So we're gonna unboxing this and see what's inside. Alright, so here it is. I'm gonna spelling the name is wrongly, so it's actually Redragon K630, and then the packaging is really good and its durability for the packaging is really good, I guess. So here's the box of the Redragon. You can see in the front of you is the layout, the keyboard, and then inside we have the numbers and the logo Redragon, and also in the top we had the package content, user manual, type C cable, and of course the Dragon keyboard. So we had the information about the size and weight, and also from here we had the logo Dragon, and that's it. So let's see inside. So let's see inside, and here we are. Here we go. So this is the manual book and the keyboard. It's kind of heavy, I guess. Then there's cable here, of course, for the safety. So I guess we can put it back. The packaging. So here we go. First, this is the manual book. I'm gonna see here. There's some full key series, take it out series, and then we have the 80 series, 80% series. Then we have the keyboard, we have the cable. The cable is the type C, I guess it's really good. So let's see here. We have the, what is this, instruction book, and then we got this sticker Redragon. It's really nice. So so I bought this, the bronze switch. It's really kind of like heavy, but this is plastic, obviously, but the material is really good. I mean, I really like it. So here we have the Redragon logo, Redragon. We have the put here. So let's